Hi, welcome to your Montesorri Quotes for today, Monday, 13th January 2025. Our quote for today is from Maria Montessori's 1946 London Lectures, page 139. It says, "A man does not just happen. He does not just grow like a flower. A child does not act as an adult. We apply our energies, our maturity to do something. But a child acts in accordance with nature in order to construct a man." Again, a man does not just happen. He does not just grow like a flower. A child does not act as an adult. We apply our energies, our maturity to do something. But a child acts in accordance with nature in order to construct a man. The above beautiful quote informs us about the formation process of the man. The man does not just happen, meaning it isn't a sudden process, but gradual. The quote also instructs us that the child does not act as an adult, which is contrary to what many adults assume about the child. This means that the child needs the adult's clear instructions to thrive. We also need patience. Lots of patience with the child. Lastly, the quote tells us we have our part to play, meaning we have a work to do. The quote says we need apply our energies. Being patient towards the child is energy. Being positive toward the child is energy. Providing an enabling environment for the child is also energy. About our maturity, it takes lots of patience from a mature adult to understand and support the child. Once there is lots of energy from our outside and with beautiful maturity, the child will naturally grow to become the man we have always dreamt of. This is an absolute assurance. Our activity for today is from the practical life learning area of Montessori, pegging and unpegging. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to like, follow, share, and comment on this video. See you again tomorrow for another learning journey with Mr. John. Bye-bye.